So what you're looking at here is one of my great Amazon finds. This is a glass and patinaed metal, brass-like designed container for your cosmetics or your perfumes in my case. And as you can see, this is fitting all of my Atelier colognes in here. These are 30 ml sizes. They also work well for little 5 or 10 or 15 ml sizes. Basically, your smaller containers will fit in here. The reason I got this is because it's very robust, very easy to clean, not chintzy and plasticky. So you do have to look after it because it does get dusty, but it's a very elevated way to showcase and store your beloved items. And I actually have other products, different companies, different designers also got on Amazon with this glass and brass theme casing. And I think this looks fabulous on my shelf. So here it is next to my other accoutrement. I have some Libby jars here filled with bits and bobs, makeup brushes, scent samples, and some makeup. And I think it's all very accessible here on the shelf. And I'm very happy I have it. I think you will be too.